Welcome back to my channel, dudes. Today I'm going to be going over all of the things that I like to bring with me when I go on vacation to Walt Disney World. I'm going to be going in just a couple of weeks, and these are just a couple of things that I like to bring with me when I go on vacation. They really help me out in many different ways. Today we're going to be looking at battery backups, different types of tools, organizers, and other things that will make my life just that much more pleasant when I'm on vacation. It gets hot in Florida, so we have tools for that. And let's get started, and let's take a look at my favorite things to bring with me to make my vacation a little bit better. Okay, so the first thing that we are bringing with us to make our vacation a little bit better is a portable surge protector and charger. This guy's awesome. You just find an outlet, plug it in, and boom, you have two USBs and two charging regular outlets for charging. It's also grounded and protected, so it acts like a surge protector, and it's very portable. So you just kind of slide this right into your carry-on luggage or regular luggage, and good to go. This, I will put a link down below so that you can check it out, and if you decide to buy, I may get a couple pennies. This is the 360 electrical. It even says it right there. It's revolutionary. It's just a nice little compact, good quality. This thing is sturdy, solid plastic, and it is not easy to damage because I've dropped it and brought it with me all over the world. Yep, that is the 360 electrical. The next thing that I bring with me, this comes in handy if you are walking from your resort room to get something to eat at nighttime, if you're leaving any of the parks, or if you're just walking generally at nighttime. Flashlight is what you want. This will just make it a little bit easier to see on the pathway if you're looking through your bag at nighttime. I enjoy it. This is made by Cree. It's called the Ultra Fire, and you can also adjust. Here you have this little spindle. You can adjust the width of the light. So if you want it to be very concentrated, it'll come to a point. If you want it to be very wide, you slide it the other way. And here you see it's a tiny little dot. Flashlight comes in handy in many different scenarios, especially at nighttime, but also if you're walking on a pathway and you want to be able to see critters. There's a lot of snakes in Florida, and I bring this with me. It's also very good quality. It's a heavy, strong metal, and made by Cree, who is excellent manufacturer for lights. All right, next up we have an organizer. So the organizer I bring, I will put the link in the description below. But this one has two sides and a carrying handle. When you get into it, it's just exactly what I said. It's an organizer for your cables and your little gadgets and little thingies that you carry with you. All these things we have, phones, speakers, cameras, they all require some kind of wire to charge them. And this one it's been great on vacation, but it's also been great just as an everyday cable organizer. It's not too big. It's compact. You see it here. It's easy to stow in a drawer, and I just love it. So I put like USB-Cs, USB micro, just every different type of charging cable. I even have little audio cables for listening, extending my headphones if I'm watching a movie, and it gives you a little pouch over here so you can store something a little bit bigger than a cable. I also have this. It's older. I put my memory cards in here, and it just helps me find what I need when I need it. Nice and organized and neat. So that's the one side. There's also another side. Flip this guy over. We have another side of organization. So this side, we have two pouches, you can see here, and you can just stuff whatever you want in there, extra cables or batteries or whatever, and it just gives you can put bigger things in here if you have like maybe you have a MiFi device or whatever. Also, you have a big pouch, and which leads me to my next gadget that I bring with me to make my life a little bit better on vacation, and that is, close this guy up, put it aside. This is one of the most important things, to charge your gadgets on the fly. If you're out in the parks and you need, oh, my battery's dying, what am I going to do? You don't want to go plug it into an outlet and sit on the floor like you would in an airport. This is the Anker 20,000 milliamp battery. This guy, you can charge your phone like 4 times with this. You can charge your camera, you can charge your computer if it allows to, and it also has 2 charging ports. So you can charge 2 cell phones. If you have children that need to charge, you can just knock them right in there, give them some juice. Love this 20,000 milliamp battery. This is probably one of my favorite battery chargers. It holds a lot of power. It actually puts out a good amount of amperage, and your phone gets charged in a very short amount of time. It's probably a year or 2 old. I think I got this for Christmas. And it's made by Anker. Anker is a big manufacturer of batteries, and I personally love their products. I think they're great. I mean, price is right and the quality is excellent. Next gadget up, before I bring it into view. This is very important. This is very important. We know how hot it gets when we are in Florida. The Florida heat in the summertime can be over 100 degrees easy. So the next product, cue the music, is a fan. This is a portable fan that I got from Target. And they have many Targets around Walt Disney World. Oh yeah, you can't hurt yourself either. It's just one of these little foam sheds. And oh, I feel so cool now. You feel that? I'm already cooling down. My sweat is starting to dry. Orlando's just hot. It's hot, it's humid, and this will make it a little bit better. And the most important thing that you can do with this guy, let me turn it off real quick so I can show you. I don't know if it's messing up the sound. This is called the O2 Cool because it has a water reservoir inside that you open this guy. Nice and tight. You put the water in there and you can spritz. So you turn it on and you spray water onto your face and that will cool you off. This runs on just a AA battery, and that is like $10 at Target. One of the best things you can have for yourself on vacation. You get a little carabiner here. Strap this guy right onto your bag. If you have a carry-on, if you have a day pack, strap this guy on right up by your shoulder. Turn this guy on. You're feeling cool, and you can see the little spout. Love it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Can't say enough good things about this. Also, Bluetooth speaker. This guy's grimy and dirty, but I've gotten use out of it, so it is worth it in my book. This is a Bluetooth speaker made by D-Night. I don't even know if they make it anymore, but you can even put a little SD card in here and play music right from it. You can connect it up to your phone via Bluetooth. You can use it as a speakerphone. You have some options for answering phone calls. You can play the music in your hotel room when you're getting ready to go out. You can play music to relax on the patio. If you have a balcony, this is a must. A Bluetooth speaker is a must. It doesn't have to be this one, but a Bluetooth speaker is super important to me. I don't know about you, but for me, it's very, very important. Gotta have music. Music makes the world go round, right? So Bluetooth speaker. I have a bonus. There's a bonus here. This is a big bonus. Not really something that makes my life better, but it also enhances, it doesn't make my experience better, but it enhances my experience in the fact that we have pins. I'm not the biggest pin trader, but it gives me something else to do in the middle of riding all the rides, eating all the food, checking out all the shows. You have, this is just a small little pin organizer, and these pins I don't trade. I've had some of them for a very long time. Some of them are more new. We have a Splash Mountain pin here. I know she's changing. She's going to be now a Princess and the Frog themed, I think. That should be pretty cool. I'm kind of welcoming that. We also have just all different pins. So, it was on the college program, you can see here, and we have we have different pins for things that I like, that I've enjoyed. So see here, you have the California Grill, Rainforest Cafe, Mission Space. I got this when Mission Space opened all those years ago. SafeDisney.com. This is Walt Walt Disney's family member, Roy Disney. This is the son of Walt's brother, so it'd be Uncle Walt to him. And he was trying to save Disney when Michael Eisner was in power, and the stock wasn't going anywhere, and the company was flat. So these are all kind of keepsakes that I have that I really enjoy. Stormtrooper action. You got all the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular pins came out. You got Scrooge. You got Mickey and Minnie pin trading. Get a little Mickey pin, cast member pin. Do you remember the wet paint pins? These were awesome. They used to put these on the boards when they surround like a area for refurbishment. You would see a wet paint, so they made a pin out of it. This is like a cast exclusive. You have a little Ride and Engineering pin. You have a 100 Years of Magic back in 2001. 100 Years of Magic was feels like it was right just the other day, but apparently it's been 20 years. You got a food and beverage pin. You got another cast member pin. Let's see what else. All right, we got Vero Beach, one of my favorites. Another Vero Beach pin. Usually whenever I go on vacation, I buy a pin from the hotel I stay in, Saratoga. But, this is the year I became a Disney Vacation Club member, 2006. I also got Huey, Dewey, and Louie and a Pixar pin. God, this is like a stroll down memory lane. We have an Aulani pin for my wife and I went on our honeymoon to Hawaii, stayed in Aulani. Polynesian. Probably one of my favorite resorts, top 3 maybe. Vero Beach, Beach Club, also top 3. Love the Beach Club Resort, so cool, right near Epcot. So you just walk outside, hang a left, and keep going until you get to the turnstiles, or tap stiles as they are today. This I got, this AT-AT, I got this one. I got this on opening day of Star Wars at Disney Hollywood Studios. Got it from the Black Spire Outpost. And then in here, I have some extra pins for trading. So, just throwaways that you can trade with cast members and get something a little bit better. This is one of the most recent ones that I've gotten. It says Memento Mori. It's from the Haunted Mansion, and it reminds me that we must live every day and take advantage of every single day. Memento Mori. Memento Mori. Seize the day. Remember, enjoy, and appreciate and respect every day. Get morbid on you. See, so you can trade these with any kind of pin board, and if you take a break to look in a shop, you might see a cool pin that you want to take home with you. So, added bonus, this is my quasi small pin collection, and I bring it with me when I go to Walt Disney World. If I can make my vacation a little bit better, that's what I want to do. I want to make it a little bit better and more pleasant so that I can just, everything else gets out of the way. I hope you enjoyed those things. Comment down below. Let me know if you use them as well. Do you use those things? Are you a minimalist? Let me know. If you have some tips, I'd like to share them with everyone else and find new things to bring with me to make my vacation a little bit better. That is going to wrap it up. I think we covered it all for today. Things that make vacation better. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as give it a big thumbs up and let me know you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.